Setting up the Optigo Traffic Capture Driver on Niagara Workstations is a simple way to get your BACnet captures into Optigo VN. Let's walk through how to configure for direct mode, where the station captures and uploads directly to Optigo VN. Please note, this requires that station to have a direct internet connection. The first step after downloading the jar file is to edit the name and remove the version code. Next, copy the file into your Niagara Modules folder. The default path is highlighted on screen. Once that's done, restart the Niagara service and the Niagara Workbench application and verify the driver is installed. To do this, select the target device drop-down from the nav menu on the left side. Click Platform and then select Software Manager. Confirm the Optigo Capture-RT file is present, highlight it, and select Install from the menu below. Click Commit when done. Now we can add the capture port to the target. From the expanded nav menu, double-click Station and log in if you need to. Once loaded, expand the Station dropdown, then select Drivers and finally the BACnet COM port you want to capture. From the palette window, select Optigo Capture from the drop-down menu, then drag the Optigo Capture port file up to the target port. In our example, that's MSTP port, and hit OK to install. You should now see the file under the target device. Looking at the MSTP port, you can see the capture is enabled and receiving data. The final step is to add the capture service to the target, so captures are automatically sent on to your Optigo VN account for diagnostics. Under the Config option in the navigation window, select the Services dropdown. Drag the Optigo Packet Capture Service file from the palette window up to Services to install. Scroll down and select the installed component and enable the service. The server URL should be pre-populated, and the server validation should read server reachable if you have an active internet connection. We've changed the server in this video to a demo account, but app.optigovn.com should be your default. Next, add your API key from the target Optigo VN monitoring node and keep the upload mode set to direct. Information on how to get your API key is available on our support page and linked in the guide. To begin a capture, flip the capture dropdown to Start, and you'll see the status, current size, and packet count begin to reflect the session. Additional configuration settings, including setting min-max file sizes, packet counts, and more, see our support guide. Toggle Capture to Stop to end your capture session. Once the capture is stopped, the file will automatically be uploaded to your Optigo VN account. Need a way to offload capture files without an active internet connection? Navigate to the target station and expand the Files dropdown and open the Optigo folder. Capture files are appended with the .optg1 extension. Right-click, copy, and paste the captured file into your local temp folder. Now that it's stored locally, you can upload the file into Optigo VN by selecting the monitoring node and clicking Upload File. And that's it for manual captures, but if you want to set up a capture schedule, keep watching. To set up a capture schedule, start by selecting Schedule from the palette dropdown. Select Boolean Schedule and drag it to the main window. Right-click the schedule file and select Link Mark. Right-click the module name at the top of the property sheet and select Link from Boolean Schedule. Select Out from the Boolean Schedule source list and connect that to the Capture option and hit OK. You can now double-click the Boolean Schedule module in the property sheet, build the schedule to your needs, and hit Save when you're done. Now once capture is stopped, the file will automatically be uploaded to your Optigo VN account. And that's it! You've connected your OT network to some of the most powerful diagnostic tools in the industry for monitoring troubleshooting right in your Niagara account. Additional resources are available through our support portal at optigo.net.